infrastructure. Protect our ports, secure our waters, defend our homes. Expand your options in the Coast Guard.
Morning everybody, Johnny here. We out here at a beautiful beach. Trying to do some surf fishing. Basically you got the whole park with Huntington Beach State Park. Basically got a whole park to ourselves. Well, it is a Thursday. So got my gears. We'll head out here. We're gonna see if we can catch some fish. I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get out there. Let's get it. Alright, first guys, got my little rake. We're gonna see if we can catch some bait. We are looking for sand fleas. The antenna sticking out. I'm looking for some antennas. Right there, right there, right there. That's it. Right there. All right, here we go. See that? See it? That's the bait we're looking for. Little sand fleas right here. That should get us through. Now these are good eating too. Just going to dump it in here. Yep. See this? Oh, one. Got two. That's our setup right there. A little pompano rig. The heck is that in the water? Y'all see that? Oh, that's duck. Tripping. Alright guys. I'm gonna walk out here. A little deeper. Hopefully ain't no sharks in the water. I don't do well with the sharks. Y'all know what these are. These are little tiny sand fleas, or mole crabs. Ocean fish candy. Still on there. See how far we can get this. Alright guys, we're gonna rig up our second line, or our second pole. I got some of these fish bites. Kinda old though. Let's see how these do. Fish on there? No? Okay. Guys, I'm over here staring at this rod. I think I have a fish on there. What y'all think? Oh. See this? It's all the way out there. A dolphin out there. Where'd he go? He just went down. There you go, right there. I see right there. Right in front of me. Nope. No nibble, no nothing.
Yeah.
I'm surprised.
What are you fishing for?
Whatever bites. Yeah.
You want like whiting and stuff like that?
Yeah.
The closer you are to the rocks?
Yeah. Over on that side. Alright guys. The kid came to me saying that I need to fish over here near the rocks. Guys can't get anything to bite today. Must have came down here too early. Yeah, it's just stuck to my striper fish. I want to see how far this braided 4-ounce line can go. First I gotta get out there. Oh snap. Ah damn. I'm gonna try this thing again. Line broke last time. Weight popped off. Must have cast it too hard. See if we can do a better cast. Right here. There you go. See this? Little jellyfish. Hey guys, we didn't catch no fish at the beach, but we're gonna cook up this striper I have. I see this. We're gonna, what's it called? Grill it up, fry it up. I don't know what it's called. I'm guessing it's called grill. But I got the charcoal in the chimney. Wait till that heat up. We're gonna wrap this fish up, a little salt and pepper, gut it up, and throw it on there. Got the striper all gut up. All we're gonna do, get a lemongrass. Find the store, I guess Publix or the local Asian market. We're gonna stuff them. I don't know which way. Maybe it's smaller. Just gonna stuff his belly up since I can't get through his throat. Got some lemongrass. We're gonna cut some ginger. Also gonna stuff it in there, kill that fishy taste. All I'm gonna do is grab my salt, salt the outside up, flip it to the other side, do the same thing on the other side. That's it. So you're gonna wrap it up, guys, and throw it on the grill. You remember them mole crabs, sand fleas we had? We're gonna cook this up as appetizer. I know you can eat this, right? Tastes just like a, what is it? Like a crab and a shrimp mixed together. The way we do that, we're gonna put some flour, season it, some salt, pepper. Mix it all up, dump it in there, mix it up by hand. Just gonna let the fryer heat up, about 35, let it heat up a little bit. Then we'll come back and cook it up. Grease is ready, guys. And drop these sand fleas up in there. Drop it in the grease. Shouldn't take long. See that thing sizzling. See all these vegetables and herbs getting ready. They're making fish rolls. Alright guys, y'all see this? Shit, this is like popcorn shrimp. You can put too much salt in here. It is from the ocean. Good though. I see that. Big old juice one right here. You haven't tried this? Get a rake, go to the beach, catch it and cook it. You see the little one like it. Here, popcorn. Popcorn. Mama. Look. Yummy. Yummy. Yummy? You like it? Yummy. Should be done. Cook long enough. Got the vegetables cooked. Got these rice noodles. Cook some rice noodles, go around with my wrap. Fish. Put that salt on there, it's easy to peel. And get a little flavor on the meat. Alright guys, the way we eat this, get this rice paper. Soak in some warm cold water. Go ahead, just put your noodles in there, your vegetables, cucumber, lettuce, basil, cilantro, some mint leaf all chopped up already. Some of this fish meat. Just wrap it up. Oh yeah, see this? A little fresh roll, a little dip of sauce. Just dip it up in there. Stir it up. It's refreshing.
Very healthy.